Smart fans are here. With the revolutionary BLDC motor technology, they are more efficient, lighter, and in some cases deliver better airflow. But what about the noise levels? Before we get to that, if you haven't seen the Atomberg Renaissance Smart Plus fan video, click the link above and have a look at the detailed review. It's a cool fan to buy in case you're looking for a new fan or a replacement for one of your older fans. Here is the Atomberg Renaissance Smart Plus with its speed and noise levels. Speed is indicated with the LEDs the fan has. Let's have a look how it performs. Boost mode is weird. The fan acts like a tsunami. It slows down initially, and in fact I pressed the boost mode twice thinking that it's not activated. It then builds momentum and some sort of a charge comes back to it, and it comes back with full force. Now let's do a rough comparison of this Atomberg fan along with a regular induction motor fan or the basic old fan tech to see if there's any significant difference in noise levels. The other fan in comparison is a Crompton Greaves, which is about 3 years old, has higher RPMs, more air delivery rating. But let's do a test and find out what really happens. I'm not using any hi-fi equipment, so please bear with me. This test is done in the same room for both fans with no other changes. Keep your eye on the decibel readings and the speaker icon that indicates which fan you're hearing the sound from. Okay, the fan's going to start now. Speed 2. So there you go, guys. The Atomberg fan starts off with more noise at lower speeds for some reason, and then it has a more linear curve as it speeds up. The normal fan is quieter initially, but once the speed picks up beyond speed 3, it makes a lot of noise and it maxes out towards the end. So that was my quick video on the noise levels of a BLDC fan along with a regular fan. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye.